Hello! I know it's been a while since we have done some upcycling, so I thought, why not make some planters for your indoor plants? I have a few designs in mind, and this will be the first one in this series. Before we shifted to the new home, I started collecting bottles so that I can make some new interior decor for the new home, and this is one of my favorite bottles that I collected. It's a solid glass bottle with a unique shape that will be perfect for your money plant. So the design that I have in mind for this bottle is a stone finished planter which can be achieved easily with just two colors of acrylic paint. To achieve this stone finish, we have to keep two main key points in mind. The first and foremost important thing is to use a sponge to apply the paint onto the bottle. So I've not removed any stickers on this bottle because it will not be visible at the end because we are giving 2 to 3 coats of paint on this. So if you have any stickers that can be peeled off, you can remove it. Otherwise, you need not worry about the prints on the bottle. As you can see here, we're using a sponge to apply the paint so that we get the final finish of a stone texture. And the second most important thing is to not mix the paint evenly. Yes, you heard that right. The idea of not mixing the paint evenly is to achieve a gradient where we have different shades of grey. We need dark blending into light. Even though I said don't mix the paint evenly, we don't want any distinct black and white staying apart. Otherwise it looked all blotched up. So we have to mix the paint in such a way that we get different shades of grey in different parts of the bottle. Let's apply the first coat on the bottle evenly and let it dry. And now when it comes to the drying, if you're patient and if you have enough time, you can leave the first coat overnight so that it dries evenly and perfectly. If not, you can use a hairdryer. What I've done for this bottle is I've left the first coat to dry overnight. For the top part of the bottle, I've used brush so that we get paint in evenly between the crevices. This is how our first coat looks after drying. The first coat itself has come off beautifully, but we have to apply 2 to 3 coats of paint to make sure that the texture is even and the paint has been evenly distributed on the bottle. For beginners, I would like to mention that I've used acrylic paint, black and white. I've mixed it together to achieve this grey. Let's apply the second coat and dry it completely and then apply a third coat for complete coverage. We have to make sure to paint the bottom and top of the bottle too. If the sponge is washed immediately after painting, we can keep reusing the sponge. Now I'm applying some dark grey to provide a gradient. So once the third coat has dried, this is how our planter looks. I have not given any designs to this because I would like to keep it as it is, and this is what I had in mind when I designed this planter. But if you would like to give any designs, you can let your imagination and brushes run free. You can apply varnish to this and this will be waterproof. Let me know in the comments what you think about this work, and I'll see you again in the next video.